How to see what someone else liked on your Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. Let's start this video without any further delay. To check this, you have to open Instagram on your browser in front of you, and this is my Instagram's homepage. I will click on my profile option and then go to my following list, the people they follow me or I follow them. Like I want to see uh, which post this person has liked. So I will simply go to my account and check any of my posts, and here on the bottom of the screen you will see that this person has liked my post here, and you can usually see that. But there is a condition for, like, if you follow someone and they follow you, only then you will be able to see that which post that person has liked if you follow them. So if you don't follow them, you cannot see what others are liking on your Instagram account. So this is all about the video. This is all about how you can see have someone liked your profile picture or someone liked any other post. This is about the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical updates, reviews, videos like this. Keep watching, keep loving.